What's up? I'm John Bond. I'm the founder and CEO of Tier 5, and welcome to the Post Filter training series. In this training series, I'm going to be showing you all about Post Filter and how to actually use Post Filter to get the most out of your organic marketing and what you're doing on Facebook. So the very first thing that we're going to do is we are going to install the Post Filter extension. So to install the Post Filter extension, it's really easy. You can just go to Google and you can Google Post Filter Pro. Or you can just use the link that we sent you in the email, and you'll see if you use the link we sent in the email, you'll just have the link. If you just Google it, you'll see it's the first thing that pops up here. And then you'll just open this up from the official Google Chrome store, and you're just going to click this button that says Add to Chrome, and then you're going to click this thing that says Add Extension. This is going to install on Google Chrome. And then what I like to do whenever I install an extension, and I know I'm going to be using it, is I like to just click on this little extension button here, and I like to actually just pin this to the taskbar. Alright, so now that we've installed Post Filter, let's go ahead and log into Post Filter real quick. So we're going to hop over to Facebook. We're going to go ahead and log in with the account that we set up. And now we're logged in. Okay, so in the next few videos, I'll show you how to go in and actually use the software.